Hello everyone, today I'm sharing with you all about amazing thing at AngkorWat Temple. This is really interesting. A million of heart is decorating in front of AngkorWat Temple, waiting for Happy Khmer New Year in Cambodia, and it is attract so many tourism go to visit AngkorWat Temple in Siem Reap, and it is really happy in Khmer New Year. This video is recorded day before Happy Khmer New Year in Cambodia. There is really interesting thing and amazing thing, and decorating variety of things attractive to tourism in Happy Khmer New Year in Cambodia. If you came to Cambodia, you should go to visit AngkorWat. This is really beautiful, and also they go with amazing variety of things, which is attract so many tourism go to visit Cambodia. I hope everyone enjoy this video with us. Good luck with you all, and enjoy Happy Khmer New Year all together, everyone. Đọt bàn khai đâu khai đọt bàn khai đâu khai chơi đó.